It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, you subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Okay guys, this is week 4 of the pop-up shop for Molding a Man. As you see here, the Molding a Man clothing line. And this is the last week here at the Fort Dix McGuire Air Force Base Exchange. So I'm going to see if the Christmas week, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday,
Tell me what you think.
All right. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. So here we are at the McGuire Dix Base Exchange, selling the clothing line Molding a Man, where you have Father for Life and Dad Forever products. And here they are. Molding a Man brand, as you can see, Father for Life brand, and the Dad Forever brand. Being sold here at the McGuire Air Force Base Exchange.
This holiday season, give the gift that truly keeps on giving: knowledge. For any parent on your Christmas list that's raising a son, you need to buy them this book, Molding a Man. It gives you step-by-step and year-by-year advice on how to mold a man. What better way to show your love than by giving a gift that truly makes an impact? Visit moldingaman.com. Happy holidays.
Week 4 of the Molding a Man pop-up shop at the McGuire Fort Dix Exchange, so that everybody can see this is real. It's the real deal. Merry Christmas. Pop-up shop at the McGuire Air Force Base Exchange, and the kiosk for the Molding a Man clothing line, which houses Dad Forever and Father for Life, along with the book Molding a Man. That's what we got. It's the final day. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words, his bonds will stand with thee.